We are here in Soweto, in Middlelands, Zone 5, where we'll be showing you KwaMahlobo or draw. Before we can show you KwaMahlobo or draw, I just want to tell you and take you back about this tournament. It has produced many soccer players who've played in this tournament. It's not just a tournament, it's a big tournament for Sowetans, and not only for Sowetans, South Africans. As I've said, it produced many professional soccer players. We don't know this which player will be scouted, because I heard there are scouts from abroad. I hope players, they are going to be disciplined, because if you are disciplined, you are going to get selected. But we are here for the draw for KwaMahlobo. Stay with us and hear what they are going to say about today's draw.
Yes, I'm gonna. Angijwayela ukuba ngapha mina, ngijwayela ukuba ngala. That was my first time ngiba ngapha. Mawumuntu meluza kwizinto Rangers mo. Denga last time ngishaya kwethe Mahlobo kakhulu. Okay. Akasakhumbula. But yeah, sizotsala idraw bafethu, and all the best to wonke ama-team ajoin i-tournament. Hope the best man wins. And the way izosebenza ngakhona. The first ball izophuma izoya ku-A1, second ball B1, third ball C1, kanjalo until the end. Then we start again. So we are at A1 after we send the H1. So we are at A2 season kanjalo. It's clear. So until we really see show it, we go along. A1 ilo amkhiphile smoke, ne? River Park A1. River Park A1. Zwakala. Then le kishwayo no kuba i-B1. Izinja zegame B1. Next one. Ungasa.
Ngifuna lawa ngaphansi. All right, Khilani Motswako FC.
Khilani Motswako iba C1. Now we're going to D1. Scott Polar United C1. Then the next one is D1.
D1 Scott Paul.
D1. So E man.
Yabona isikolo nama alphabet ngicabanga amashibongo. Vilakazi FC.
Vilakazi FC. Siteyile E1. Siyaku F1 manje ngithi. Amalandani F1. Vilakazi FC. E1, F1 Amalanda. But we'll recap very much then. And then
Siyanqoba FC
G1 Siyanqoba FC. Then it's a group yokugcina H1 International FC H1. So about number one, wonke groups are our teams, right? First teams in all groups. Can you confirm? Can we confirm? Yes. Okay. Since you okay. Now our team they were on a corner. Group A1, River Park. B1 is just a game. C1, Khilani Motswako. D1, Scott Polar. E1 Vilakazi, F Amalandani, G1 Siyanqoba, and then H International. Then Seso move over to the second team, Zema Krupini. A1 yini le multiracial ngofunda kuyo ama-alphabet acala ku-B tshele kahle ukuthi yini or solanitshentshe school fees
mina bengifunda Skepenketule.
ya kuyasho ukuthi eSkepenketule ama-alphabet acala ku-B A1 A2 sorry A2 kuSkepenketule and then B2
Mutakasi.
Mutakasi ku B2 and then manje siku C2
Azania Ace.
Azania Ace C2 ngiyazi Azania Ace idlala ngama-under 17 i-development mara ibhola ngiyazi khona la and then manje siku D2 Lama Sports ku D2 and now we move along to E2
E2 Midlands Juventus.
Midlands Juventus another for last year Ago E2 ne E2 okay and then manje siya F2
Ndofire FC.
Ndofire FC ku E2 and then siya G2 manje
Kalawa Academy.
Kalawa Academy second appearance kumahlobo last year baphelele ku last 16 which is an achievement for first time ne yeah sure and then siya ku H2
Born Again.
H2 think first time he joined the tournament and then Born Again H2 yeah ask guys recap very quickly okay just for a recap very quickly gents since the show is right A2 Skepenketule, B2 Mutakasi, winning finalist the previous year, and then C2 Azania Ace, and then D2 Lama Sports, E2 Midlands Juventus, runners-up F2 Ndofire FC, and then G2 Kalawa, H2 Bonake. Simnandi mos. Okay, let's move on to A3 match. A3
TD Warriors.
TD Warriors ile club ama Trap Corp ne. Okay, sure. So mhlawumbe izoyenza ama roadblock amakhulu. Ngosifihlele lapho khona. Sure test. And then manje siku B3
Real Madrid FC.
Yeah, Real Madrid FC ku B3. Club Canton. Yes, monkey.
I only know international teams.
Like
Smoking Yambi All Stars. C3 Sparrows FC.
Sparrows FC ku C3. Then manje ku D3.
Kokwani 11 FC.
Kokwani 11 ku D3. Okay, and then we move along to E3. E3.
Lucky-Land FC. D3.
Lucky-Land FC, and then Manisiago. E3.
Amabrazo.
After
F3. Yeah. So the multiracial yabona uma nabantu abafunde kuma multiracial ama alphabet aqala ku B isiko siyathelelana manje sejump amaphela so sithe isiparo yini ku F3 hayiba Paro C3 Kokwani D3 yes Amabrazo F3 uyabona smoking those zenzayo manje smoke kusibhazisana asiqhubeke smoke up to F kuzana akasa G
Uhlakeng Future Stars. Asizani emergency. Athi sirecapeni la.
Sisiyenzeni recap bafethu siboneni ukuthi siphethe into right so iqala phezulu mara siya ku A3 TD Warriors siyavumelana. B3 Real Madrid. C3 Sparrows. D3 Kokwani 11. E3 Lucky Land. F3 Amaprazos. G3 Mhlakeng Future Stars. Sizokhipha manje i-H3. Simnandi. Amen. Usimoke ucanga ukuthi setive. Manje i-H3
Simnandi siyashisa FC.
Simnandi siyashisa. H3 nesimoke. Sibuyela kule alphabet ongayifundiswanga u-A. Last A4 manje.
Middlelands All Stars A4.
Sorry, Smokey. Ibheke kahle lento ifuna.
Soweto All Stars, sorry. Soweto All Stars.
Ayibona lento bengiyisho ngoSmokey. Ngiyayibona uSmokey uzosigankinga namhlanje. Udlulile sami la. Okay. And then siya ku B4.
B4 abafana bestyle.
Abafana bestyle B4. C4
Snake Development.
Development. Inkinga yazi Smokey yakho yini? Ufaka ama-sunglasses instead of ama-shades. Mina ngifaka ama-shades, ngifaka ama-sunglasses. That's why amanye amakhamu ngawaboni kahle. Asiyeke le asikho lapho. Snake Development. Sikuthi D4
Touchdown FC.
Touchdown FC with D4. E4
Villa Marseille FC. E4.
Villa Marseille FC ku E4. F4
Karas FC.
Karas FC ku F4 ne. Sakuthi manje ku G4
Team Mosha FC.
Team Mosha stroke movers mangabe ngibone kahle ne. Sharp. Then H4
Rudy Ravens.
Abo number 4 wethu. Sikhumbule ku H ku group H ne angeke sibe ne team izofila number 5. So it's sense to recap for our number 4 ema group ini. Group A Soweto All Stars B4 abafana bestyle. C4 Snake Development. D4 Touchdown. E4 Villa Marseille, F4 Karas, G4 Team Mosha, and then H4 Rudy Ravens. Right. Siagu number 5 manje from group A until G. A5
Toronkop Students.
Toronkop Students is that Statulo. And then B5
Black Poison FC.
Black Poison FC. C5
Mboma FC.
And then D5
Chipolopolo.
And then E5
Soweto Academy.
Soweto Academy E5. And then F5
Goldman FC
go F5. And then because we said H5 for some key as by explaining before. Manje G5
Middlelands
Academy. Okay, so in the recap, and then if but I'm sure everybody has been called and part of the teams that have been called. All right, going back A5 Toronkop Students, B5 Black Poison, C5 Mboma, D5 Chipolopolo, E5 Soweto Academy, F5 Goldman FC, and then G5 kuba Middlelands Academy. Ispace is H5 isizofilwa after all the processes have been done regarding that team that's supposed to fill that spot. Yeah, in my filing, gents, you should have a sheet like this. Ula uzobona khona ukuthi udlala nini ngoba nisikhathi uzokhona ukuplana grand, and I hope sonke si-ready ama-player aphelele. Mr. MC, aphelele ama-player ayingakhi. All right, thank you for your time, gentlemen. All the best to our Kama team, our participator.
Also again. You know, all of us here, we call you my friend. All of us here. So let's say, to give me my friend, Isaka!
Sanbolani Dumelang, what kind of family? Thank you so much for having me here. Myself and my Kiwi team, we're proud to stand with you as we celebrate these illustrious games. A tournament that shines with community spirit, youth empowerment, and 30 years of sporting excellence. These games are more than just football or soccer. They're about unity, discipline, and fair play. At Kiwi, we believe that every step matters. That's why we launched our Step Up to Step In campaign, to inspire confidence and progress in every stride. Sponsoring these games is our way of stepping up with the community and stepping in to support the dreams of these athletes. Just like a polished shoe gives you the confidence to walk into any opportunity, we want our players to feel empowered to step into greatness on and off the field. To every team, play with heart, respect, and passion. Together, let's make this year's games unforgettable. From all of us at Kiwi, best of luck and keep the spirit alive.
Thank you, my friend. You didn't tell us your name. Oh, but we're gonna call you. Yes, Amakula Nemali. What's your name? Ikamalako Cash. Thank you. And then maybe your surname is Mula, eh? Hey, Mula and Cash. Hey, Amakula Yaitani, man. Hey, Fikesh, call your cousin Mula. Thank you, man. Shout out to you. Recovery, all right. Another word from our partners. The representative of MTN.
Afternoon, everyone. My name is Bobo. Abaningi bangazi ngoBobo, elinye uKutlwano. We're happy to be here as part of the partners for KwaMahlobo Games. Actually, we're delighted. It's our third year sponsoring the event. So we just wanted to express a word of gratitude to the organizers to say, you know what, it's been a grassroots level engagement, but as the games progressed over the years, we've managed to see that it has grown all the way where you get some of us coming through as partners, and some of the partners that are here from a sponsorship perspective. But checking back a little bit, it's been a journey for us. I think we want to appreciate some of these events that we partner, especially for the grassroots level. When you start looking at any other sports, soccer is the #1 sport that's supported in South Africa. And I think it's one thing that when we spoke with the partners to say, the most important thing that we can ever do is to give back. And how we give back is to make sure that some of the talents that's exported to PSL, exported to any other leagues, they come from this particular environment. So it's key and instrumental that we partake in such events to make sure that we can get an opportunity to plow back into the communities in which we serve. I think one of the key strategies as MTN, we always say we want to give back where we service the communities. So for us, I think the gentleman yesterday on Tuesday when we spoke in our meeting, we said it's 30 years of the KwaMahlobo Games. And funny enough, MTN celebrates 30 years this year. So it's a partnership that we planning to build to go forward. I think for the next 30 years is something that we'll try and support from MTN perspective. But we just want to express our gratitude and say in closing, we really do appreciate the platform that you've given us, and happy to those that will be partaking. And yeah, it is Kiakalangi 24. Sizoboni Tiski throughout, and all good luck to all the participants. Yeah, thank you.
Sibonge my pops. So we best friend yabo wena plus angina airtime nedatha. I must keep you around. You must know how to choose your friends. Siqhubekise ngemibuzo from our rules is everybody sorted.
Sikhona lana, End of Fire, White House, we'll be talking to one of the organizers. Kenny will be telling more about today's draw. Kenny, it was happening today. We just saw the draw, and we also saw partners. They came again to support KwaMahlobo games. We are seeing a step up. What is a step up? To step in. Kiwi is here, Hollywood is here, also Gauteng Provincial Sports and Arts and Culture Recreation. They are also on board to assist. Just tell us about this year's event.
Thank you, Masose. Yes, the event this time is going to be totally different. We have new sponsors, as we have announced also that we are celebrating our 30 years. And as within that 30 years, remember that now also MTN, it looks like they are celebrating 30 years. MTN together with us these 30 years. It's a good, partnership and all that. And also, yes, with the games, as today we are doing this draw. Now the kickoff will be on the 24th, and then we take a break on the 25th. All the public holidays on holidays, we take a break, and then we continue then with other days then. And also within the games, yes, people, they should come and support and see, good stuff, good skills, good everything. As you know that we've been producing a lot, good skills, boys, and to all that PSL, whatever. They'll be there even at the grounds. Those young boys whom they were spotted from KwaMahlobo. And yes, we've got new teams this time. If you check the list, we've got new teams on board. I believe that we've got a new attitude in terms of the sportsmanship and all that now, because we've been facing tough times with other teams, local teams, taking advantage of us at times. But then, it's sports how it is, it's a sports within, etc., etc. But I believe that everything will go smooth, will go well. As we'll be starting on the 24th and then ending on the 11th of January before the school opens then. So with the 160,000, number one, and that's a good price this time. Hoping that by next day maybe we'll do more and more and more. As you heard that Mr. Chacha, he's welcome from Tabing Management, he's also from there. He has joined us on the management. We really appreciate that together with him, to have our partnership with them and together with other sponsors as well. But believe me, games will be in a high note this time, high note, with the beautiful skills and all that. Yes.
How do you feel, because you've been involved with this game for many years now? These games, they've produced many professional players. What would you say to teams who came this year to participate?
Well, to the new teams, I would say they should get, serious with this one. With this tournament, it's not all about money. You heard the guy saying that it's not all about money, but it's also how to, give the young boys a chance, to go all out there and introduce their skills and to be spotted. If you're a good player, you must be, you must know how to sell yourself, so that whoever that is there as a scouter or anyone sportsman who's doing whatever that is doing, he can notify you or identify you. Sometimes we get identified by not only playing, by maybe with the attitude that is a positive sign one, in football. So whoever that comes with his team or with her team, they must, inform their boys that, when you get there in that field, make sure that you sell yourself in a good way, in a positive way, in a good sense, so that you can promote that that it won't be only for him. It goes with the team and with Ikasi team Ebuyagulo, because once he start to be noticed and taken furthermore now to PSL or to wherever he's going, he'll be representing Ikasi Lumuntu, even the team, even himself. So it goes further more and more and more from the grassroots level. It's a lot. There's a lot to tell about that.
Thanks very much, Mr. Kenny.
Yes, no, thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Mr. Coach. Thank you.
Now you heard when we were talking to the organizer, Mr. Kenny, talking about this prestigious tournament, KwaMahlobo. It will be happening. It's going to start on the 24th. It was nice here. good draw yayo kwaMahlobo. See you when you see us on Champion as second.